Everything's just a mess. I got these poles and, they hang up on top. I got to do something about it. First of all, let's get it out of the way. Make sure nothing falls. I figure I got wood. This one step above popular. I cut out a number of pieces. I take a key saw. I make a hole, a template. I'm able to drop it in, but it's going to slide right out. So you're saying, hey, maybe I'll just put a piece here, have it locked in, put some sides on, and I got something nice. As I go along, I'm still thinking, well, I got a second piece of wood. I'm going to take a vice grip. I'm going to clamp it along, and then I'm going to put two of them in there. So this way they could sit in there and they won't wobble out, fall out. They will have a little wobble room. So I have three pieces of wood like this. And I am going to maybe come right here. 1, 2, and the base. And that's where my poles are going to stay, right over there. So let me clean up. Told you so. Never get that shot again. I got this corner type clamp, and I am going to do the best I can. I'm going to have to shave the wood down a little and things like that. At least it'll hold it. I got this T-square. Why don't you use it? I don't know if I could get it to work like this or this way. It's not going to work the way I want to do. Maybe like this it'll work. Let's tighten this bad boy up. Adjust it on. We have the edge like this. I'll eye it up. I want to get my first hole. My second hole. I could do these 2 holes. That's not a problem. Nice and tight. Not doing the second one. It's not grabbing it. It's moving. I'm not going to nail it down. Nope. I'm going to have to really crank down on it just to hold it. I love these little clamps, man. They're the best. They clamp down. They do a nice job and they hold. Well, this is the first one I need to do. I don't have the proper tools, the right half inch. I use just a bit. I did a hole punch already. That's what this is for. Just come here, you go in the center, give a little hole punch, and hopefully that will do what I need to do. So let's get drilling. This way I could collect all the mess. I lost a bit, but you get the idea. That's how you do them. I got a couple more to do. I got my 2 holes. They're already drilled. My flat piece of wood. And I just want to, shave this down. I'm going to be here for a little while. Square it off. And then we're going to try to do a little teeing, a little drilling, a little screwing. I could have came out and I could have put, the mini tripod on there. I could have put my Insta360 Ace Pro like right here, too high. Or I could have, come over here with 1/4 20 threads, raise it up and put it here and there. and on the sides, or I could have put in the, those thumb bolts here. There's a lot more I can do, but I don't want to come out further. I do need to do just a little bit of modification of just sanding this down, getting the edges, and maybe putting a piece of wood here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but it's happier than laying on the shelf. If I need to grab a pointer, hey, look what I built. And when I'm finished, I can simply put it back and it goes right into the hole. If I need to grab my selfie stick, I got it to grab and I need to stick it back. It's got a place, a home for it. What do you do? What do you show? How do you display your selfie sticks and gear? This is my gear display window showcase where I do my product reviews and I want to make it presentable. And I think that is a one step up. Have a great day, everybody.